This video shows you how to replace a BRK 670MBX mains-powered ionization smoke alarm with a BRK Easy Change Replacement Alarm, BRK EOA. This alarm is made by BRK and can be fitted without an electrician. Before removing the alarm, switch off the power supply by flicking the relevant fuse off. Remove the head of the alarm by twisting the head anti-clockwise. The head will come off. At this point, the cable is still connected to the head. Carefully pull out the plug from the head without pulling on the cables. Let the cables and the plug dangle from the ceiling. Please note that the BRK 670MBX must only be replaced with an alarm with alkaline backup battery, for example, the BRK EOA. Carefully insert the dangling plug into the back of the new alarm. Fit the new alarm by twisting the alarm clockwise onto the base. Once the alarm head is fitted, switch the power back on. The green light will come on to indicate that the power supply has returned. To check that the alarm is working correctly, press and hold the test button until the alarm sounds. Fill in the installation sticker and fit it to the fuse box. This makes checking the renewal date of the alarm much easier, rather than having to remove the alarm head. To ensure that you are testing your alarms on a regular basis, sign up to our free reminder service. Just go to this web address and complete the very simple registration process. We will then send you regular reminders to help you to remember to test your smoke alarms. To order an Easy Change replacement alarm or to ask further questions, please ring SafeLinks or visit our website.